AI in e-commerce, a game changer that is reshaping the online shopping landscape and transforming the way we shop and interact with online platforms. The integration of AI technologies has revolutionized various aspects of e-commerce, from personalized recommendations to virtual assistants and visual search capabilities. One of the notable applications of AI in e-commerce is personalized recommendations. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to deliver tailored product recommendations. This not only enhances the shopping experience but also increases customer satisfaction and drives sales by presenting customers with products that align with their interests and preferences. Virtual assistants and chatbots powered by AI are another valuable addition to the e-commerce realm. These AI-powered agents provide instant support and assistance to customers, answering their queries, providing product information, and guiding them through the purchasing process. This improves customer engagement, reduces response times, and enhances overall customer experience. Visual search and image recognition technologies have also transformed the way customers discover and explore products online. With AI-powered visual search capabilities, customers can now search for products using images, allowing for more intuitive and efficient shopping experiences. Image recognition technology enables the identification of objects and attributes, enabling customers to find visually similar products and explore related options. AI in e-commerce also facilitates efficient inventory management and demand forecasting. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can analyze historical sales data, market trends, and other factors to predict demand patterns accurately. This enables retailers to optimize their inventory levels, avoid stockouts or overstocking, and ensure a smooth supply chain operation. As we delve deeper into the world of AI in e-commerce, our upcoming videos will explore advanced applications such as personalized pricing strategies, AI-driven fraud detection, and the ethical considerations surrounding AI adoption in the e-commerce industry. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights and advanced AI applications that are shaping the future of online shopping. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of AI.